In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Klaviyo. Once you are logged in and looking at your Klaviyo dashboard, start by going to the left-hand navigation menu and clicking Campaigns. This is where you will create one-time email sends, like announcements, promotions, or updates to your audience. In the top right corner of the Campaigns page, click Create Campaign. Klaviyo will guide you through a simple setup flow. When you are asked what type of campaign you want to create, select Email, then name your campaign. Use a name that helps you recognize it later, especially if you run many campaigns. For example, include the purpose and the date in a simple format. After naming your campaign, click Continue. Next, you will choose who will receive the email. Select your recipient list or choose a segment if you want to target a specific group, such as recent purchasers or subscribers who have not bought yet. Take a moment to confirm you have selected the correct audience, because this controls exactly who gets the message. When you are ready, click Next. Now you will set up the content details. Enter your subject line and your preview text. The subject line is the headline people see in their inbox, and the preview text is the short line that appears next to it in many email apps. Keep both clear and aligned with the email content so subscribers know what to expect. Then pick a template. Choose a layout that fits your message and open it in drag and drop mode. This editor lets you click into sections, replace text, swap images, and rearrange blocks without needing any code. Edit your design until it looks the way you want, and then click Next. On the next review screen, check your subject line, preview text, and any other settings shown. This is a good time to look for typos and make sure everything matches your goal for the campaign. When you are satisfied, click Next again. Finally, click Schedule or Send. Choose whether you want to schedule the campaign for later or send it now. If you schedule it, confirm the timing carefully so it goes out when you intend. That covers everything you need to know.